and Luger. So this one's going to be the 8-inch version. So this one's the longest barrel of the 3 that are available. So I'm just going to be doing a shooting demo for you guys. Alrighty, enjoy. Alrighty, this one's a little weird. You kind of have to cock it first without the magazine in it, and then go ahead and stick the mag in to shoot. And that tends to happen a lot with these guns. Didn't lock back, unfortunately, but this one has quite a few problems. Alright, so I already had it racked back with the BB chambered. Yeah, you got it to lock back. But yeah, with this one, it's like, it works with me half and half. It kind of isn't always perfect. Alrighty, we'll do an upper camera so you can kind of see the actual movements here. The whole bolt system is pretty complex with this pistol, so there's definitely always a lot of room for error when it comes to this thing cycling properly. You can see the BB, so we're going to go ahead and shoot. Okay, so it looks like successful operation. Looks good to me.